educational blogs, my analysis and critiques. The first blog is Edutopia. Edutopia was founded in 1991 by George Lucas. It is a blog that is designed to transform K-12 education. It allows students to acquire and apply knowledge, attitudes, and skills that are necessary for them to thrive in their studies, careers, and as adults. It also allows students to be able to adopt and adapt to the best practices that are current. Edutopia tells stories of innovation and continuous learning that is going on in the real world. It is free for unlimited access. The vision of Edutopia says, quote, "A new world of learning based on the compelling truth that improving education is the key to the survival of the human race. It's a world of creativity, inspiration, and ambition informed by evidence and experience. It's a world where students become lifelong learners and develop 21st century skills. It's a world where innovation is the rule, not the exception. It's a world where schools provide rigorous project-based learning, social and emotional learning, and access to new technology. It's a world where students and parents, teachers and administrators, policymakers, and the people they serve are all empowered with a shared vision to change education for the better." Lucas 2022. Edutopia provides information and community connections that make this all a reality. They believe in 3 fundamental skills. They are finding fact-based information, assessing quality information, and creatively and effectively using the information to accomplish a goal. My only critique I found was that there is an overabundance of information that could be overwhelming when trying to research a topic to find pertinent information. My next blog is Ed Circuit. Ed Circuit supplies around a dozen categories, including content and media. They have many different conversations and interviews that will help educational professionals in grades K through 12 and those in higher education. It will help them gain insight, perspective, and expertise with immediate challenges and opportunities that there are in the education field today. They were founded in 2014. They're in 17,000 schools and organizations across 100 countries. Ed Circuit is a mission-based organization that focuses on ed tech industry and empowering the voices that have the ability to provide guidance and expertise to others when using digital technology in education. There are many people that contribute to them. Their contributors range from the U.S. Department of Education secretaries, songwriters, former ministers of education in England, lords, sirs, and other trusted educators, administrators, teachers, students, influencers, media personalities, authors, well-known leaders, big-time social media influencers, and education advisors. They provide this information in their blogs by using podcasts, shows, and videos. The blog website does deal with characteristics that help you be a great digital citizen. My critique for Ed Circuit is I feel that more topics could be discussed than are currently available to view. My last blog is called The Innovative Educator. The Innovative Educator blog was written by Lisa Nielsen. She started this blog because she found school to be boring and irrelevant. She became a public school educator to help fix this problem and make change for the better. She does this by finding new and innovative ways that are relevant to students and provide them with real-world successes. She hopes that educators and students will have a voice when it comes to the conversation, the issues, and the policies that can affect them. She speaks and writes about the future of education. She speaks on various topics and to various audiences. A person can work with Lisa to publish a story about someone or something, to consult with her. She'll even tweet about topics for you, or you can have her speak wherever you are. My critique for the Innovative Educator is that her directness is how she presents the material, and it may be off-putting to some readers who may think of it as cold or critical. My final thoughts. All of these blogs have brought a lot of information and hope for the future of education and technology. According to the textbook, Issues in Technology Learning and Instructional Design, quote, tools that enable designers by assignment is not only easily use the technology, but that provide them with extensive guidance in effective instructional design or provide them with varied effective pre-designed instructional strategies. These tools should provide guidance, templates, and pre-built strategies that would allow comparison of existing products, data assessing usability, and most important, data assessing student learning and performance. Char Chelman, 2016, Chapter 11. If we make sure that we have the right technology tools, as these blogs have done, and they are being presented in the correct way with extensive guidance, then I feel there will be success for all learners. Blogs are important in helping students foster self-expression, analytical thinking, creativity, writing skills, and the sharing of resources among the community of learners and educators. It allows for the connectivity that is necessary to help students and teachers to learn in this digital age. That's what all these blogs have done. They have also shown what it means to be a good digital citizen in the process. According to the Applied Educational System, good digital citizenship engages young students and shows how to connect with one another, empathize with each other, and create lasting relationships through digital tools. These are my references, and I thank you so much for listening to my critiques and analysis of educational blogs.